Okay, so now we're going to talk about discriminants. First, just to show you real quick, this is a quadratic equation. So ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. This is very important. You find this, and this is the quadratic formula. So opposite of b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And since we're going to talk about discriminants, I'm going to tell you right now that this part right here inside the square roots, this is the discriminant. So discriminant equals b squared minus 4ac. It is also important to know the following. So when the discriminant, will be represented as d is greater than 0, so means that this is a positive. It will have the answer will be 2 real roots. But when this is negative, or in other words, the discriminant is less than 0, you'll have 2 imaginary roots. And finally, when the discriminant is equal to 0, it will have 1 real root. In other words, all of this will be equal to 0, and your answer will just be opposite b over 2a, which will be equal to 1 root. So now it's time to put all of this to use. Okay, so here we'll have an equation. So 2x squared plus 4x plus 3. So if we're going to use this here, we have to apply the following. So 4 will be b, so 4 is b. So let me put this up here actually to make it easier. So 2x squared plus 4x plus 3. So since 4 is b, as you can see right here, it will be 4 squared. So 4 squared minus 4, as the formula shows. A is 2, so times a. And again times c. C in this case is 3. So simple math. So 16, because 4 squared is 16, minus 4, or actually minus 4 times 2, 4 times 2 is 8, times 3, 24, so 16 minus 24, which equals minus 8. Again, so you can see here, this is a negative answer, so this part here will be negative, and just to recall, this means there will be 2 imaginary roots. But the point here is just to find the discriminant, and this is the discriminant right here. So here, just for the sake of comprehension, I'm going to do a second example. So first the discriminant, which is b squared minus 4ac. So remember, we don't need the whole formula, we just need the discriminant. And my equation is going to be 4x squared minus 2x plus 5 equals 0. Actually, okay. And what we're going to do now, so just make this better in understanding. So b equals 2, a equals 4, and c equals 5. Now we plug those in, so negative 2 squared minus 4, because the equation says so, times 4 times 5. And what happens now? Just simplify. And this equals to, this is positive 4, And now 4 times 5, 20. 20 times 4, negative 80. So 4 minus 80 equals negative 76. And here we have our discriminant again.